Hi everyone, it's Gail. I'm here with a quick Etsy share this morning. I wanted to let you know that the Mixed Media Minnesota October kit is ready and available in her Etsy shop. And at the time of my filming this, she has 35 available. Although last night I kind of went on and 10 people already had it in their baskets. So you better hurry over if you want one of these. So let's take a look. We'll take a look at the goodies in just a second. But it's the Stamperia Forest paper, which is so gorgeous. Let's open her up and just take a look at the pages. And as usual, Stamperia has like the toughest plastic in the world. I don't know why, but they really make sure it's stuck. Okay, so, oh my gosh, I love this paper pad. Look at all the fun little sayings and things, and the journal cards. Oh, look at the hedgehog, he's so cute. So journaling cards, there's this beautiful fox one. Oh my gosh, I absolutely love this paper pack. So beautiful. Eagles. And journaling cards of all the different animals. This beautiful raspberry one. Oh, I love the back too. That's really pretty. I just think it's a gorgeous paper pack. Really beautiful. So pretty. Tags. A collage page. Oh, and look at all the animals. So that is the paper pad. And then to go with that, we have Stamperia rice paper, the raspberry one. There's a Stamperia stencil, leaf stencil. Love that. Some Prima leaves and an acorn. They're almost fuzzy looking. Beautiful. There's Prima washi tape. And black and white, kind of a sepia and black, and then black and white. So there's that. There is Stamperia acrylic paint in Terra di Siena. Beautiful fall color. And a little paint dauber to work on your stencils. Whoops, as I bend one. And then we have Stamperia lace, some Stamperia lace, and Prima crystals, and then some Finnabar charms, metal embellishments. So that's what you get in the October Mixed Media Kit. It is wonderful. You guys will love this one. So I think it's going to go fast. You better hop on over there. Her link will be down below, Mixed Media Minnesota on Etsy. And thank you so much, Shannon. I think this one's going to be a big hit. So just wanted to show you quick before they sold out. So run on over there. We'll see you in the next video. Have a grateful day, everyone. Bye.